Can I install Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on my Roku device?
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tech tutorial. Today we'll be addressing a common question many Roku users have. Can I install Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on my Roku device?
Understanding Roku's platform.
To address this question, we first need to understand what the Roku platform is all about. Roku runs on a proprietary operating system called Roku OS, which is not like regular computer operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Therefore, you cannot directly install typical desktop software or web browsers such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on Roku devices. This is due to the fact that these browsers are not developed or optimized for the Roku OS.
The Roku Channel Store.
The Roku Channel Store is where you can find and install applications for your Roku device. These applications, often referred to as channels, are specifically designed to work on the Roku OS. However, as of the time of this video, neither Google Chrome nor Mozilla Firefox is available on the Roku Channel Store.
Can we bypass this limitation?
While it's not possible to install traditional web browsers on a Roku device, there are some potential workarounds that can allow you to browse the web on your Roku. One such method is by using screen mirroring. This feature can be found in many Android devices, Windows PCs, and some other devices. By using screen mirroring, you can display your device's screen, including a web browser, on your TV via the Roku. However, this is not a direct installation of a browser on your Roku, and the browsing experience might not be as smooth or as intuitive as you would experience on your computer or smartphone. The controls and navigation will rely on your original device, not the Roku remote. To wrap it all up, unfortunately, you cannot directly install Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on your Roku device due to the limitations of the Roku OS and the unavailability of these browsers in the Roku Channel Store. You can, however, use workarounds like screen mirroring to browse the web on your Roku device. We hope this clears up any confusion and provides a useful answer to the question. As always, stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks in our future videos.